Hi, my name is Shuiskova Anna. Today we have prepared a video for you in which you will see how to make a manicure using a ceramic cylinder cutter and a diamond ball. Before removing the gel, it is necessary to analyze its thickness. First remove the thickest layer, then remove the thinnest layer. The rotation speed is 20,000. If the cutter is ceramic, then the speed may be 35,000. We give shape of the free edge. We give the same length to the nails. The efficiency of the file is 180 degrees. The direction of movement of the file in both directions. I do not recommend to remove the length of the nails with scissors because the nails can crack. We remove the pterygium. The speed is 15,000. We clean the sinuses. We start working from the center of the nails, first to the right and then to the left. Do not press on the nail. Rely on the little finger. Ball removes the cuticle. Go to the right and then go to the left. A little push on the cutter. If you need to drag a bar or crease, then clean the ball in the opposite direction. This cutter cuts off the cuticle and polishes the skin, so there is no need to use a polisher. Put the base and dry in the lamp for 30 seconds. Take the color gel and apply the first layer. Dry in the lamp for at least 30 seconds. We paint this second layer and dry it. With the top without a sticky layer, we finish the coating. At the request of the client, we apply cream and oil for nails. Ask your questions and leave the comments. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe on our channel for watching more interesting video.